Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I know you guys may be tired seeing these plants, but this is where I do my morning thoughts, my updates. When I'm in the garden is a whole different ball game, but this is where I have my herbs. This is where I have my herbs. So this is basically where I give my tips, my morning tips. This is a aloe plant. This is a real healthy plant for us. This plant could help you in many ways. It help clean out your system. There's a lot of benefit from this aloe plant. And I think everybody should start using these aloe plant, even is once a month. Okay, so I buy this plant and it's looking beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut one of these limbs and show you guys how. I mean, you guys supposed to know, but for who don't know, you could you cut the limb. This is the limb, right? This is the aloe. They use the same aloe to make hand sanitizer. This the aloe they use and make hand sanitizer. They add alcohol to it, so that smooth feeling you just get from the hand sanitizer is the aloe. They also make cream. They also make shampoo. I mean, this plant is really important, but don't take away the benefit from for your health with the aloe plant. Very important. You see how that slime, what you do, you scrape it and you could blend it also and drink it. If you drink it, don't add nothing to it. Blend it and just throw it down, because the taste is really awful. But what I notice, anything that tastes bad is good for you. But we like flavors, we like put sugar, we like put all kind of artificial thing in our stuff, and it defeat the purpose. So we don't want to add nothing to the aloe plant. We just want to scrape it out, blend it if we want, strain it if we want, and just drink it. The taste is not nice, but it's very beneficial for you. So I recommend everybody to start buying their aloe plant or plant it in your yard. Plant it in a pot. Plant it in a pot, and you can always take a limb, cut it, and scrape it. If I wasn't using my hand to record, I would have cut it and scrape it and let you guys see. But okay, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Oh, I'm sorry for that. But I just want to give you guys an idea of how I do mine. Okay, you see the juice. Hold on. This one is very juicy. I will scrape the juice like this. It's very thick, so you try to scrape out I'm just giving you guys an idea. You know what I'm saying? It's just an idea. You scrape it very well. I don't know if you see, but you see that? You blend this and you drink this, and I'm telling you, you will feel like a lion. All right?